How to fix if your Chipotle app is not working. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are trying to access the Chipotle application but it is not working, the first thing you need to check is the stable internet connection. For this, you can forget the password and network and then try to connect again. However, if this does not work, the next step is to update your app version. For this, go to the Play Store or App Store and install the latest version or update to the latest version. Likewise, also check if the server is working for the Chipotle. Sometimes it could also be a app functionality or the server issue. Another step is go to settings and go to apps. From the list, select on Chipotle application. Now click on storage and cache and then clear the cache as well as the storage. Once this is done, log in again to your Chipotle application and you should be good to go. Additionally, also check for the permissions given to the application. However, if all of this does not work, you might have to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.